The following video will feature me unboxing and assembling the brake. I won't be featuring a lot of the voice information because I think you can infer most of it. It will also feature an artist that I like, a musical artist named Haywyre. I hope you enjoy it too.
Attention citizens, please commence routine 1399. Proceed instantly to the center. Thank you.
These stands are not meant to be reversible, so instead of flipping the clips around, you should just flip the stand around. pivot point is only about 1 millimeter thick of steel. Got a stainless wrapped edge for anti-marring and hardness purposes, replacement purposes. Now, in the middle of these C-arms, some of these little clamps have springs and some don't, so that's strange. And then some of them have these bars and some don't, so that seems strange. For a $5,000 brake, I would hope that they would use more stainless fasteners instead of galvanize. And here is an angle gauge where the sheet metal lines up with a number on there. It tells you the angle. Oh look, they sent instructions. I should have read them. Incidentally, the delivery guy didn't know how to get it out of his box van. He was not equipped. He couldn't get the pallet jack behind it. So bring a dolly, bring a big pry bar, and bring a floor jack, and yeah, some muscle. Good luck getting it out of there.